x square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. X and y are natural numbers. Let me use a preliminary method. Any perfect square is of the form 4p or 4p plus 1. These are the only two cases. These is also a perfect square. Any perfect square is of the form some number. P and A are some natural numbers. 4a or 4a plus 1. Now see here. These both divisible by 4. These both divisible by 4. Minus 1. Minus 1. It should, remainder is minus 1. Let us see. 4p, 4a divisible by 4. Remainder is plus 1. Right? 4p plus 1. 4p, 4a both are divisible by 4. 1 minus 1, it is 0. That means if I divide the last two digits by 4, according to the left hand side, I should get minus 1 plus 1 or 0. What is the right hand side? 34. 4 into 8 plus 2. Remainder it is 2. But according to the definition of a perfect square, then remainder should be minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 means positive remainder 3. 3, 1 or 0. I got 2. No value. Now tell me how much time it takes to solve this question if you start listening to my live classes. No value for x comma y exists. These kind of solutions, you sit and spend one entire day on any of the YouTube channels. You sit and spend time in Wikipedia's, Google's or YouTube. This method is an ANIL NAIR's method which will help you to solve the question in 5 seconds. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. This question is a 5 seconds problem if you are a follower of ANIL NAIR's live classes. ANIL NAIR's way. I have seen people factorizing it. You don't need factorizing. Now tell me the original CAT question. Please drop your pens and tell the answer. 9876543210. You will understand how I make a non-mathematics student get 99 plus percentile with a smarter way of solving the question. X square minus y square equivalent to 9876543210. If you are taking more than 5 seconds to solve the problem, then you are probably not a student of ANIL NAIR. 3, 1 or 0. 10. 10 it is nothing but 4 into 2 plus 2. Plus 2 remainder, it is not possible. Original CAT question solved in less than 5 seconds way. Now, one important thing, please write down, sir. X square minus y square. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. XY are natural numbers. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? Already we solved this question. Method 2. I am more interested in method 2 because in tomorrow's morning class, we will discuss some problems. XY are natural numbers. These are nothing but, in case if a student is solving like this, x plus y into x minus y equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. XY are natural numbers. X is an even number. Y is an even number. Both will have the same parity. One can be an even number. Another can be an odd number. One can be an, X can be an odd number. Y can be an even number. X can be an odd number. Y can be an odd number. Y, the counter question of this is extremely important. X and Y are natural numbers. Now listen carefully, sir. These are the 4 cases that will arise. The first case is both of them have got the same parity, X even and Y even, and X odd, Y odd. One is even, another is odd. Let me take this case. X is even, Y is even. Even plus even is even number. X is even, Y is even. Even minus even is even number. Even into even number is any number divisible by 2. Any number divisible by 2. Answer should be divisible by 4. 2 into 2 is 4. It is divisible by 4. First case. Last case. X is odd, Y is odd. What is odd plus odd? Even. What is odd minus odd? Even. Even into even. It is divisible by 4. First case and fourth case. First case and fourth case. Right hand side is divisible by 4. I hope the idea it is clear. It's a simple number tree problem. Even number plus even number is an even number. Even number minus even number is also an even number. Even number is divisible by 2. 2k1 into 2k2. One is even, another is odd. Even plus odd, it is odd. Even minus odd, it is odd. Odd into odd, it is nothing but an odd number. Odd into odd, it is nothing but an odd number. Odd plus even, which is an odd number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Odd into odd also, it is an odd number. Both are of same parity. Same parity means if one is even, another is even. Even plus even, even. Even minus even, even. Even into even. Both are divisible by 4. First case. Fourth case, odd plus odd, even. Odd minus odd, even. Even into even, divisible by 4. That means this case and the last case, right hand side is divisible by 4. Right hand side is divisible by 4. Next one, one is even, another is odd. Even minus odd, odd. One is odd, another is even. Odd minus even, odd. Right hand side is an odd number. Right hand side is an odd number. Please make a note of this one, sir. Make a note of this point. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This will have integral solutions. What do you mean by integral solutions? The values x and y, if it takes integers, then it is called an integral solution. X square minus y square equivalent to k. We will write down in the new slide. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions. Integral solutions. Please make a note of it, sir. Only if k is an odd number, very, very important key point, sir. Or k is a multiple of 4. K is a multiple of 4. Please make a note of it. X square minus x square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. When you got to k is a multiple of 4, when x and y both are even or both are odd numbers. If both are even numbers, x plus y will be an even number or x minus y will be an even number. When it will be an odd number, when one is an odd number, another is an even number, or one is an even number, another is an odd number. Please make a note of it, sir. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation will take integral values only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. What is the first question? X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand side, 34. What is the divisibility rule of 4? 4 into 8 plus 2. 4k plus 2. No value for x comma y. What is the original CAT question? X square minus y square equivalent to 9876543210. 10. It is not a multiple of 4 or an odd number. Please make a note of this. Very, very, very important point. Extremely important point. I c square equivalent to 65 whole square. Right hand side is an odd number. Do not miss any class of mine. X square minus y square equivalent to 60 whole square. It is a multiple of 4. We just discussed right hand side. Right hand side should be an odd number or a multiple of 4. This question can also be asked in geometry like this. How many right-angled triangles exist with integral sides? X and y are natural numbers. How many right-angled triangles exist? How many right-angled triangles exist with integral sides satisfying these equation? This can also be a geometric equation because Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse whole square equivalent to base square plus height square. Please make a note of it, sir. X, Y, and 60. How many right-angled triangles exist? This can also be. Tomorrow morning 11 to 1 class, I am going to discuss. This is a very, very easy question. Answer for this question is 4 values. This is also an easy question. We will also see how to find out by using the factorization method. Factorization method. 2 things which we discussed. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions. When it will have integral solutions? Only when the right hand side is an odd number or a multiple of 4. Right hand side is an odd number or a multiple of 4. A student who is preparing for SSC mains, sir, is there any better method to solve this question? N square plus 342 equivalent to k square. N and k are natural numbers. How many values nk will satisfy? He is attempting an SSC mock question from one of the test papers. I don't know which paper it is. N square plus 342 equivalent to k square. N and k are natural numbers. How many values n comma k will take? I said answer is 0. Sir, how come you solved fast? It's a very simple question. K square minus n square equivalent to 342. Right hand side should be an odd number or it should be a multiple of 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Right hand side should be an odd number or it should be a multiple of 4. 342 is not a multiple of 4. So the answer for this question is no value for n exists. Please don't substitute. Don't substitute. Please don't substitute. You have seen some teachers' logics and you said that this is the best logic. Probably I will teach you in a way that my logics will be better than the best. Because I have been spending time. 2004, I completed my engineering with 91%. And at the age of 17, I taught mathematics because I was coming from a utter poverty background. I decided to take care of my family by taking tuitions. Right from, I started a class with 20, 20 became 200, 200 became 800, 800 became 2,300 in a span of 6 weeks times with 0 advertisement. Any student who is a lover of mathematics, if you listen to my class, by this time you should have understood what is aptitude. I hope the logic is very, very clear to you. N square, please don't blindly substitute and waste your time. If anybody is saying substitution method, then probably it's time for you to unsubscribe to the channel and save a lot of your time. Idea clear, right? N square. Now, let me take one more question. I hope the idea it is clear. Anuj, right hand side should be a multiple of 4. Right hand side should be an odd number or a multiple of 4. 342, 42, 4 into 10 plus 2. It is not a multiple of 4. Anuj, I hope it is clear. Idea it is clear. Everybody kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? Right? Next one. Now, let us take one more question. Now, I am not going to solve. You will understand the beauty of thematic based learning. X and Y are natural numbers. This is thematic based learning. It is used in Finland, sir. Finland is the #1 country worldwide in education system. A teacher spends a lot of time in explaining the W and H related questions. X power 4 minus Y power 4 equivalent to K. X and Y are natural numbers. How many values X, Y will take? See the power of thematic based learning. This is nothing but X square minus Y square into X square plus Y square equivalent to K. X and Y are natural numbers. What is the theme that we used? X is an even number. Y is an even number. X is an odd number. Y is an odd number. X is an even number. Y is an odd number. X is an odd number. Y is an even number. Even minus even, it is an even number. Even plus even, even number. Even square plus even square, it is an even number. Right hand side will be divisible by 8. Why? Because even number is 2k1. another is 2k2, another is 2k3. If you multiply three even numbers, definitely answer will be divisible by 8 because 2k1, 2k2, 2k3. Odd minus odd, even number. Odd plus odd, even number. Odd plus odd, even number. Right hand side is divisible by 8. First two cases over. X is even, Y is odd. You see the basic equation. Even power 4. Even number power any number. It is an even number. Minus odd power any number. Odd number. Even minus odd is odd number. X is odd. Odd power 4. It is an odd number. Even power 4. It is an even number. Odd minus even. It is an odd number. That means, what is the form of K? K should be either an odd number, or it should be divisible by 8. Or it should be divisible by 8. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. X power 4 minus Y power 4 equivalent to K. X is even, Y is even. Even minus even, even. Odd minus odd, even. So even minus even, even plus even, even plus even, even. Even into even. Right hand side should be divisible by 8. Right hand side should be divisible by 8. I hope the idea it is clear. Now we will conclude. Idea is to make a student create their own question rather than getting addicted to some books, which is nothing but a collection of questions. Right hand side should be divisible by 8. Now see here. X square minus Y square equivalent to K. This equation has integral solutions when K is an odd number or K is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Second step. X power 4 minus Y power 4 equivalent to K. This equation has integral solutions. Integral solutions when K is an odd number or K is divisible by 8. K is divisible by 8. If it is 2 here, 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. Are you all with me? If it is 4 here, this is nothing but 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 into 4, it is nothing but 8. 2 into 4, it is nothing but 8. Suppose if it is x power 8 minus y power 8 equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions when k is an odd number or k is divisible by 16. K is divisible by 16. Please write down this beautiful conclusion. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions. Integral solutions when k is an odd number or k is divisible by 2 into 2 power n. 2 into 2 power n. Very, very important information. Very, very important information based on the models that we discussed. Please take a screenshot of it. Very, very important information. X square, we did this question. From this question, we developed a theme and we concluded for all the questions. X square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions when k is an odd number or k is divisible by 4. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Very, very important. 16 is 2 into 8, 2 into 4 and 2 into 4. Some questions which looks like an algebra questions can be solved very easily if you know the logic. X square minus y square, x power 4 minus y power 4. X power 4 minus y power 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Now let us solve this question. X square plus 562 equivalent to y power 4. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take which will satisfy this equation? x power 4 plus y62 equivalent to y 5 power 4. X and y are natural numbers. These are nothing but y power 4 minus x power 4 is nothing but 562. These of the form right hand side should be divisible by 8 or an odd number. Right hand side should be divisible by 8 or an odd number. 562 is not divisible by 8. Answer is no value for. Answer is no value for x comma y exists. Answer is no value for x comma y exists which satisfies this equation. I hope the answer logic is clear. If it is 568, how to factorize it, that also we will discuss it, right? Like we discussed the right angle triangle problems. Tomorrow I will explain you x square minus y square equivalent to 60 whole square or 65 whole square. Based on the logic, you can further proceed. Idea is not to do substitution method, not to do any of the substitution method. I hope the logic it is clear. Next 45 minutes, kindly pay a lot extra attention. Some very good scintillating problems on perfect squares, which we will solve it. Please write down the concept. I hope this idea it is clear. Concept. First concept. The last two digits of a number. Concept. The last two digits of a number. Write down in the same order, sir. If I take any number, the last two digits of a number is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 100. You take any number and divide by 100, you will get the last two digits of that number. Last two digits of that number, any number is nothing but remainder when you divide a number by 100. 123. 123. When I say last two digits, I am referring to the unit digit and I am referring to the tens place. 123. Last two digits it is nothing but 23. Last two digits it is nothing but 23. This is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. When you divide 123 by 100, 100 ones are 100. What is the positive remainder? 23. First make a note of it. Last two digits of any number is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. Last two digits of any number is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. Second one, take any number, square that number. Take any number, square that number. 40 into k plus or minus whole square. K is a natural number. K is a natural number. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. X square 50 into k plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Suppose if I take a number x, either do 50's complement, 50 minus x whole square or 50 plus x whole square. 100 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. Except x square 50. Let me take k value 1. 50 minus x whole square. 50 plus x whole square. First we will restrict ourselves to a smaller value. 100 minus x whole square. 100 plus x whole square. All the cases the last two digits will be same. All the cases last two digits will be same. Proof. Method 1. Method 1 is by using examples. Method 1 is by taking examples. Vague proof. Then I'll do reminders. Let me take x value 4. X value 4. 4 square it is nothing but 16. 50 minus 4. 26 square is nothing but 2116. 54 square it is nothing but 2916. 100 minus 4. 96 square is nothing but 9216. 104 square it is nothing but 10816. 50 minus 4 whole square, 50 plus 4 whole square, 100 minus 4 whole square, 100 plus 4 whole square. Last two digits is same in all the cases. Sir, you took 4. Please take any other number that comes into your mind. X equivalent to 9. 9 square is 81. 50 minus 9. 41 square, 1681. 50 plus 9. 59 square, 3481. 100 minus 9. 91 square, 8281. 109 square, 11881. You can check a calculator. Hopefully, after listening to some more classes, you will also solve like me. If somebody asks you 414 whole square, you can say 171396. If somebody asks you 317 whole square, 100489. They are all 2 seconds, 3 seconds squaring and cubing of a 3-digit number. Now, what is important to me is that the last 2 digits is the same in all these cases. Last 2 digits, 16. Here also last 2 digits same. Last 2 digits same. Last 2 digits same. Last 2 digits same. So either do 50 plus x whole square or 50 minus x whole square. Take the number greater than 50, take the number less than 50, square it. Take the number less than 100, take the number greater than 100, square it. Not only 50 and 100, any multiples of 50. It could be plus 50, minus 50, plus 100, minus 100, plus 150, minus 150. Like that you can take x equivalent to 9. 9 square, 81. 81, 81, 81. I hope all these numbers, x square, 50 plus x, x square, 50 plus x whole square, this 100 minus x, this is 50 minus x. I hope the idea is clear. Watch this class again, sir, so that you will understand the power of it. Anyway, in my class, it is not the concept. Concept, you will find it in the regular textbook. See the kind of questions that I'll create. 100 plus x whole square, 50 plus x, 50 minus x, right? I hope this idea it is clear. This is by using proof by example. Now proof by reminder concept. I hope the idea it is clear. I took 4 and 9. You can take any number that comes into your mind. You want to take 11? 11 square is 121. 50 plus 11, 61 square is 3721. 50 minus 11, 39 square is 1521. 100 minus 11, 89 square is 7921. I hope the idea it is clear. Like that 111 whole square, take the number squares of 3 ones and everything. 11 square is 121, 3 1 square is 12321. These proof through example, proof through example, proof through concept. Please write down, sir. Proof through concept. Method 2 proof. Not a single doubt. When I am taking a class, you got a doubt. Please put it in the comment box after the class is over. In case if you see my last live class, almost all the comments, I have a habit of giving a personal replies to the students who needed some help. 50 plus x whole square. If I open this bracket, 50 square, 2 into 50 into x. Plus x square, plus x square. If I take minus, this will be minus 100 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. 100 square plus or minus 2 into 100 into x plus x square. Now, what is that we discussed at the first point? What is the first point that we discussed? First point that we discussed is last 2 digits of a number. The first point we discussed is last 2 digits of a number. It is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 100. When you divide a number by 100, whatever is left over, that is nothing but the remainder. Now see here, 50 square. What is 50 square? 50 into 50. 2500. Is it divisible by 100? Perfectly divisible. What is the remainder? 0. 100 into any number. 100 into any number. Perfectly divisible by 100? Definitely yes. Remainder 0. What is left over? X square. 100 square. Perfectly divisible. 2 into, if it is working for 50, obviously it should work for all the multiples of 50. These also perfectly divisible. What is the remaining? X square. Make a note in your notebook. Find the last 2 digits for. Find the basic level. Basic level. Then we will go to the advanced level. Find the last 2 digits for. Find the last 2 digits for. Listen carefully, sir. I'll just take 8 to 10 questions. First one. First question. 92 square, 61 square, 39 square, 237, 88 square, 857, 89 square, 29576 square. First we will solve these 6 questions, then 4 questions I will take it into a next level. 92 square. These are all easy questions. Students who love solving mathematics based on numerical values, all these questions are easy. What is the concept? Concept is very simple. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last 2 digits is same. If the number is closer to 50, check how much it is more, how much it is less. If a number is closer to 100, check how much it is more, how much it is less. These are nothing but 100 minus 8 square, 100 minus x square, 8 square, it is 64. First one answer is 64. 61 square. It is 11 greater than 50. 11 square is 121. Last 2 digits is 21. 39 square. How much less than 50? 50 minus 11 square. 11 square is 121, 21. Only the question is based on the last 2 digits. Anything beyond the last 2 digits, it's an useless value for me. I don't require it. My answer is just restricted to the last 2 digits. My answer is just restricted to the last 2 digits. 88 square. Check how much it is more than 50 or less than 50. Now see here. 88 square. 88 is 12 less than 100. 12 square is 144. These are nothing but 89 square. 89, it is 11 square, 121. 76 square. 76 is the exact midpoint of, from 50 it is 26 more, or 100 it is 24 less. So 24 square or 26 square, it is 76. 576. 576. All are clear, right? How much less than 100? 8. How much more than 50? 11. How much less than 50? 11. How much less than 100? 12. How much less than 100? 11. How much greater than 50? 26. 26 square is 676, right? Or 24 square is 576. These are very, very basic questions. 6th question. Please write down this point, sir. 76 power any natural number. It is 76. 76 is a magic number. I will discuss the beauty of 76 when I am discussing the last 2 digits of a number. Please write down 76 power any natural number. It is 76. 76 power any natural number. It is 76. I hope it is clear. Suraj, Mrityunjay, and another student with a name Titla. I'm not good in Hindi. Like the way you are learning mathematics from me, I am also learning Hindi from somebody, especially the people who come from the southern part of India, that too down to India. I come from the God's own country, Kerala, where Hindi is spoken extremely less. So please accept my apologies. In case if I am unable to speak Hindi, it has more to do with my inability than your request. If you ask me personally, I would like to teach in Hindi, but I am learning. I can understand Hindi. मैं समझ सकता हूं, पर बात नहीं कर सकता हूं. Okay, please accept my. Right? 76 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one.